In today's video, I'm going to teach you make any photo talk with Capcut AI tool. We're going to set up a clean, expressive image that's perfect for lip sync and facial animation using Capcut's built-in AI. By the end, you'll have a polished photo downloaded and ready to bring to life. First, open your browser and go to Capcut.com. For the smoothest experience, use a modern browser and a stable internet connection. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access the AI features and save your work. Once the page loads, you'll be in Capcut's workspace. Next, look for AI design in the top navigation or header area and click it. This is Capcut's image generation tool. It lets you describe the picture you want and the AI will create it for you. For talking photo projects, this is incredibly useful because you can design a face that's centered, well lit, and easy to animate. In the AI design panel, type your prompt to create the image you want. Be as specific as possible. If your goal is a natural talking result, try including details like head and shoulders framing, a front-facing subject, neutral mouth position, evenly lit skin tones, and a clean background. You can also specify style cues such as photorealistic, studio lighting, soft shadows, or a certain mood. The more clearly you describe facial features and composition, the better the AI can generate an image that syncs convincingly later. Keep your prompt original and respectful, and avoid using protected or sensitive content. When your prompt looks good, click send. The AI will process for a moment and then present the generated image. If you see multiple variations, preview them and choose the one with the clearest eyes, visible teeth if you want expressive speech, and minimal hair or objects covering the mouth. Check that the face is centered and sharp. This helps the talking effect track more reliably. Once you've found the version you like, click download. Pick the file format and resolution that match your project needs. A high-resolution image gives you more flexibility if you plan to crop in or add motion later, but keep file size in mind if you're working on a slower device. Save the file in a labeled folder so it's easy to find when you move into the animation step. That's it. You've gone to Capcut.com, opened AI design, crafted a precise prompt, sent it for generation, and downloaded a ready-to-animate image. In your next move, you can take this photo into Capcut's talking tools to add voice and lip sync.